This is our drone IDE, where we will create our first drone program. In the motion section, you can find all the flight control commands, including flying forward, entering pitch mode, and adjusting movement offsets. This is the sensor part, allows you to add different sensors and build more advanced applications. Here you can find loop structures for repeated actions. You can also perform simple mathematical operations. This is our AI module, where it allows the drone to recognize QR codes using AI vision technology. Now it's time to create our first drone program. First, we make sure we initialize our drone. Next, we add an automatic takeoff command. The minimum takeoff height is 80 centimeters, and we recommend setting it to 100 centimeters for optimal performance. Then we add a forward flight command. To return the drone to its original position, we add a fly backward command with the same distance of 50 centimeters. Next, we add a descend command and set it to 90 centimeters to ensure a smooth landing. Finally, we exit pitch mode so the drone can land safely and successfully. Now it's time to upload the program to the drone. First, we connect the drone controller to the system. This connection allows us to deploy and run our code. As you can see, the controller cannot be connected until communication is established. Now the controller is connected successfully. Let's test our program. The connection is successful and the drone is ready to receive and execute the code. In the status bar, you can monitor the drone's battery level, temperature, altitude, and voltage in real time.